square steel, connecting pipe, spring, reversing screw, anti-lock strip, bamboo screws, flathead screws, lock body, IC card, key, warranty card. First, let's note the direction of the handle. Upper handle reversing screw, fixed handle. Next, install the connecting pipe on the front lock. Here we take the display stand as an example. Install lock body. Upper lock body, screw fixes the lock body. Insert the square steel. Next, we install the front lock. We put the anti-lock bar and spring on the rear lock, upper spring. Install anti-lock strip. Connect the front and rear panel cables. Tuck the cable inside. Then open the battery cover. Finally, we install the bamboo screws to secure the front and back panels. After installation, we test the battery.